Aloha everybody, my name is Misty. I usually don't like doing videos, but my cousin said I should try a cooking video, so here we go. Today I am going to make my own cream of mushroom sauce. So I have we are going to do the cream of mushroom sauce. So I'm gonna prop you up over here so I can show you how to clean the mushrooms. So mushrooms are like sponge, so you don't want to drench them with water. That's the number one rule. So you're gonna want to get a paper towel. Or two, depending on how many you're gonna get, how many mushrooms you're going to use. But you're gonna wet it, and you're gonna like set all the water out, and then you're just gonna brush off the dirt like so. Put it in a chopping board. Grab the next one. Rub off. Mushrooms to the pot. And then if later on if we need more, then we'll get more. But basically what we're gonna want to do is turn it on. Usually I use like heavy whipping cream, but I don't have that, so I am going to use sour cream for cream of mushroom. So just add that in there with the mushroom. We're also gonna add some water. I don't use measurements, I'm sorry, I just add. Everything is just add. I know, so bad. Up. So we're gonna add some Himalayan salt. Sprinkle it in there. So I want to show you how it looks like. So let me add some more water. We have a lot of pork chops, so we want to make sure that we have a lot of gravy to this. Everybody kind of likes gravy. I know I like the gravy. So here we go. I'm sorry. Okay. So here's the second part of the cream of mushroom. We have butter. We are gonna put the butter in the frying pan. All this yummy butter. Then we're gonna add some garlic right here. We're gonna chop it up.
Okay, here's my tablet.
Chop this up. Usually I put everything in the ninja. I love my Ninja. My Ninja is like everything. But we're just gonna cut this up because it's only a little bit of garlic, so don't need like the Ninja for it.
Now I'm going to brush your teeth.
So we're just gonna grab it, put it in the frying pan. I'll show you right now how it looks like. Right there. Look at that yummy butter. Oh, yummy.
Now I'm brushing
See it bubbling? We had added a lot of butter because we're going to make a lot of gravy. So I'm gonna add some more flour.
doing her eyeshadow.
After this, we are going to put it in with our sour cream and mushroom and add it to there, and then we're gonna stir it up together. Okay, here we go. It's hot. So here we go. Add it in there. Again, everything is on nice and high.
Julia, I should do blue.
That's good right
You
there.
got blue, the perfect color.
Then this one we're gonna lower the heat.
I'll do red.
Then we're gonna add some milk. Oh, wait, wait. You have the cereal all over the place. Then we're gonna add some more sour cream. Ciao, bye bye. Mix it up. Huh. Chopping board right there. So that's what we can fit on there. I am going to turn on the pan. Also, I am going to get some good old-fashioned butter. Smaller butter instead. So if you don't like butter, or if you don't want all that oil, shall I say, then you can just add water. That's what I used to do when I didn't cook with butter. But my other half, he loves butter, so butter is a must. It's either butter or oil. So we're gonna put the Himalayan salt, sprinkle it on pork chops like so. Himalayan salt is a whole lot better than having the white salt. That creates more blood pressure, and we don't want that. So now we're doing the ranch. We get the black pepper. I just like putting the ranch because it gives it like a better flavor. And then of course the paprika too. So there we go. I have the butter going. Oh my gosh, yes. And then granulated garlic, or you can use garlic powder. I don't use that whole mixed garlic salt, like I said, because of the white salt. I don't do that. And I will put it in the frying pan like so. So I can only fit 2 at a time. And so once you put the seasoning downside on the pan, then you just add the seasoning on top, like so. Same step, simple. Paprika, and the garlic, and then we just yay! Okay, so we have our homemade cream of mushroom. We are going to add that in our pot of yumminess of pork chops. So, Worcestershire sauce. My grandma used to call it Worcestershire. So for the longest time I call it Worcestershire. I don't even know how to say it right. How bad is that? But anyway, just sprinkle it around. Cover that right now. Put this back in the fridge. And I have my spoon right here. I just mix it in the gravy. And then we're gonna add spinach to this dish too. So it's gonna be like a cream of mushroom with spinach. So good. So you can get your kids to eat the spinach. Greens is good. Okay, we just wait. Cover it, let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then it'll be done. You're ready to serve. Cream of mushroom pork chop with spinach. If you guys like it, please press the like button and subscribe and share. Mahalo, thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Thank you for cooking it up with Misty.